Hey guys, so in this quick tutorial I'm going to share with you how you can connect Google Analytics to your hosting or website builder. All you have to do is you're going to have more settings here on your website, and then you're going to find integrations. Do you see that? Let's click on it. Right here you are going to find Google Analytics, and you see right now the Google Analytics ID. So what we have to do is that we have to go to Google Analytics, and there you're going to find like start measuring. So you're going to click on it, and then you're going to have the account name. Let's say it's going to be like this, and Google products and services, you can have it or no if you don't want to, and then click next here. So business soul block, you're going to choose the reporting time zone and currency, then the industry category. I'm in business and industrial, but you can choose in what kind of industry you're in, and your business size. Then click next. Choose your business objectives, so what you're going to actually primarily track. Let's say general leads or traffic. I don't know if you're also in sales, but you can use that. And then you're going to press create here. Oh, got it. I accept. I accept. And yes. And here we got it. So here you're going to see that you can start collecting data. So I'm going to click web here. And here you're just going to add the website URL. So let's say I'm going to have go live. I will just go live for this site because this is just what I've created. Okay. And now when you're going to have it, you're going to just write here the website and then create a continue. So we're just going to write a website of the hostinger. And there, what you're going to find here, you're going to have this here, and you're going to have the stream ID and measurement ID. And what you have to do is just like click here when you're going to be in integrations and write Google Analytics and paste it and save changes. See? And this is how we're going to do it. So all you have to do is you have to look for the measurement ID, and you can even write it in Google, and then you should be able to see traffic. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you what you can do, and have a great day and goodbye.